I wonder what this link could possibly lead me to.
I see the ice. I see the ice. Is it real?
Come on, man. Of course, man. Forever Diamonds, man. ATL at them people.
So I can test it?
Yeah, what you waiting on?
Alright.
Yeah, man, we're gonna test that 4L shit next.
Oh, that shit ain't that.
Yeah, we're gonna test
Oh, Lord, that shit ain't that. Oh, that shit ain't that.
Come on,
Oh,
man.
that shit ain't that. That shit ain't that.
Alright, I'm here with
Osase Ogunjabi.
your diamonds real? I peeped the ice. Is it real?
Oh no, these come from the motherlands of the Afri coast.
Is they real?
No, they're real. They're real. They're real. Yeah.
Can I test it? Can I test it?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. You know what?
Real ice right here.
Alright, bet.
Yeah.
It's not real. It's not real.
Bro, this is rigged. This is rigged. This is not real. It's not.
Is that you? Yes. Why are you standing there like that? Because I wanted to scare you. How'd that work out for you? That really hurt. Stop crying. Stop crying. That really hurt. I'll be your best friend if you stop. I'm telling Mom. No. Mommy. Oh, I'll buy you ice cream every day for a week. 2 weeks? Ugh, fine. What's the problem? Nothing. We're just playing a game. And we're having fun. Alright then. Y'all play nice. Thank you so much, Ice Queen.